Come, let's solve this together. I'll be showing you two methods you can use in solving this expression. And I would like you to please drop the method you like most in the comment section below. And if you are seeing this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be seeing amazing tips in mathematics and also tutorials on mathematics. Please don't forget to do so. So let's continue. We can do this by just using the expression we have in the bracket here to open the expression we have in the other bracket here. And how do you do that? You use whatever you have here to multiply everything you have here. You pick the second one and you do that also. And if you're doing that, you have to put into consideration the rule of the rule of third that says root a multiplied by root a is equals to a. If you're multiplying the same thing like this, it's going to give you the whole number without the square root, which means you can say square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 7 is going to give you 7. Square root of 7 multiplied by the negative square root of 3 is going to give you minus square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 3. We are assuming this is a whole entity on their own. And also you pick the second one now. Square root of 3, which is positive here, multiplied by square root of 7 is going to give you plus. Then you have square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 3. Then positive square root of 3 multiplied by negative square root of 3. You know, positive times negative is going to give you negative, and you have it to be 3. You can see that this thing and this thing we have here looks the same. The only difference is their sign, which means here is going to cancel this since they will negate each other. Let's say minus 1 plus 1 is going to give you 0, which means these two are going to give you 0. And you're left with 7 minus 3. And 7 minus 3 is going to give you 4. Now let's go to the second method. In this second method, we'll be using what we call difference of 2 square. And I have done a little explanation on difference of 2 square, which you can click the video here so you'll be able to see how to go about difference of 2 square. And I'll also be dropping the link in the description below. Now let's continue. If you want to use difference of 2 square for this, difference of 2 square says a square minus b square is going to give you a plus b and a minus b. I think you can see something that is very, very similar between this and this. We have, let's say these are a, these are b. We have a plus b and we have a minus b, which means we can simply turn this into this, and that will be quite simple. We'll just say square root of 7, then you square it, then minus square root of 3 also, which is our b, you square it. The square cancel the square root here, the square cancel the square root here. We are left with 7 minus 3, and your answer is 4. Please drop the method you like most in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time and have a wonderful day.